Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Big Walk if it is not launching, keeps crashing, freezes at startup, or closes unexpectedly on your PC. For the best results, follow each solution until the problem is resolved. Let's get started. Solution 1. Verify the game files. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Big Walk. Right-click the game and select Properties. Open the Installed Files section. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game installation for missing or corrupted files and repair them automatically. Wait for the verification process to finish. Once it is complete, launch Big Walk and check if the problem has been fixed. Solution 2. If the game still does not launch, return to your Steam library. Right-click Big Walk and select Properties. Open Installed Files. Click Browse to open the game's installation folder. Locate the Big Walk executable file. Right-click bigwalk.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Then enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now launch Big Walk and check if it opens correctly. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to search for and install the latest available graphics driver. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. After the restart, launch Big Walk again. Solution 4. Update your NVIDIA driver. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the application, go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. Then launch Big Walk again and check if the crashing or launching problem has been resolved. Solution 5. Install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. For the final solution, open the link provided in the description of this video. Scroll down until you find the Visual C++ download options. Click vc_redist.x86.exe to download the 32-bit version. Then click vc_redist.x64.exe to download the 64-bit version. Once both files have finished downloading, open your Downloads folder. Double-click vc_redist.x64.exe. Accept the license terms and click Install. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Close. Do not restart your computer yet. Now double-click vc_redist.x86.exe. Accept the license terms and click Install. Click Yes if Windows asks for permission. Wait for the installation to finish. Once both versions have been installed, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, open Steam and launch Big Walk again. And that's all there is to it. One of these solutions should help fix Big Walk if it is not launching or keeps crashing on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Big Walk tutorials, PC gaming fixes, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.